Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be revamping, reorganizing all of my inventory. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay to the end and don't forget to subscribe.
Background go crazy on it.
You know you ain't pay for this.
I'm about to clean this room from top to bottom. So I'm gonna let y'all see that, and I'm gonna be organizing my inventory over there. So you guys get a chance to see that too. Yeah, don't judge me. This room is messy, okay? Messy. I'm warning you.
Background go crazy on it.
Get jumping. It's messy.
You know you ain't pay for this.
Okay, so I have pretty much cleared off this dresser. This is just about, to be honest with y'all, this is as clear as it get. This is dirty because it's makeup on it, and I just don't want to. All of this stuff is gonna be gone eventually, like I told y'all. The gold, you know, all of this stuff is gonna be gone eventually. You know, the goal is to transition to hardwood and really get this dresser and this dresser out of here. But for now, this is the setup that I'm working with. So I did, like I said, I cleared that off as much as it's gonna get cleared. Okay, I put some hair products, and then I threw some stuff away also. I put some hair products in here because it was just taking over all of this. Okay, and now over here is, I have my printer, I have my board where I write my video ideas, and here, ding ding ding, ta-da, this is my inventory section over here. And as you guys can see, it's just not together, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, not proud of this. I'm not proud of this, but we're gonna get it together, period. Okay, and this, all this gotta go. You know, I got body sprays in here, my other camera, like this is not okay, and this stuff gotta go, period. Okay, so I'm gonna clear all this out, and then I have some extra braiding hair in here that I have to put up because I wear braids all the time, so I'm definitely saving that. So yeah. Okay guys, so first off, I need to really clear out everything before I even start putting stuff back in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. As y'all can see, I still got my November calendar up. That's how you know I have not been as productive as I should be. Oh, here's a tip, you guys, for all entrepreneurs. I think that this is so essential. This is a label maker. It's by P-Touch. I got mine from Walmart, and I label all of my packaging with this. I also label all of my drawers, as you can see. I hope I'm not in the way. Am I in the way? I hope not. I need a because I have two cameras. I have this camera. Here I am getting off topic. I have my DSLR and the camera I'm filming on. That's the Canon PowerShot, I think is, what is it? SX720. And literally a year after I got this camera that I'm filming on, they created one where you can flip it up for the same price. I was pissed off about that, but it's okay. But neither one of them have a screen where you can flip, but these cameras are good quality, and I'm not even tripping.
You know you ain't pay for this.
First of all, I don't even think I really even talked about where I got these from. I got this one. Both of these came from Walmart. this one was a little bit more pricey. I think this one was like 25. Yeah, I think this was like 25 to 30 if I'm not mistaken. I think this one was about $11 or $12. So yeah, I wanted this one to be ooh, I'm about to fall, y'all. Yeah, and these are just boxes that I originally bought for my PR, but I didn't end up using them, so I said I could keep them just in case I need to ship something. But as you can see, the first one says business card / flyers. And girl, look at this drawer. A mess. Okay, so we're gonna be organizing all of my business cards. These are all my business cards. These are all of the flyers. If for each order you will receive a card that basically just says thank you, you know, and you also get a free gift with every single order. Okay, and I do put business cards in every order also. And if you guys are not aware, my business is called SK Beauty. We sell lashes, lash glue, all kind of stuff like that. So yeah, definitely got to organize this drawer. It just kind of gets all over the place once I close it. As you can see, it's just really mobile. This second drawer it says free gift and plastic covers. So basically, I like being really prepared. So I order all of these packaging, like plastic covers / packaging for my business, just in case I ever run out of the ones that I originally have. And same thing goes for this is eyelash packaging, just in case I ever need to, like some of the ones I already have get damaged and I have to replace them. I have those. And these are the spoolies that I send off with each and every package, and I package them up to make sure they are secured. And these I put them in here. So I don't just put naked spoolies in your package. That's not sanitary. Okay, so in here, this drawer says Slay Collection. That basically just means anything I choose to offer other than the lashes. And what I decided to do was put these are my lash glues, and I decided to put them in these little things for organization purposes. And here I use my labeler again. This one says clear glue, this one says white 02, and this one says black 03, because in each one you have a number. 03 means you purchased a black glue. Yeah, so it just looks like this out of the packaging, the black one. And the clear one, which I forgot to put the number on the label, but the clear one is 01. So if you order a clear glue, it will have a 1 on it. And basically the numbers is just for me to never get it mixed up or messed up. So this is what the clear looks like. And the white just have a 2 on the packaging. And I have some extra packaging in here also, because you know, you never know. You never know. So the white is in here also. It has a 2 on it. You guys get the picture by now. And this is what the white looks like out of the packaging. So this is how I store my glue. I'm not going to close these up just yet, because I have some glue that I need to put back in here. So yeah, so that's that drawer. So this drawer says official packaging, and what that means is this is my packaging for all of my lashes. They come in, and this is the wifey lashes. If you guys are curious, this is what they look like. They're really pretty natural lashes, and this is what my packaging looks like. I have tons of packaging. They already come with the same thing that I told you that I had up here, just for backup. But you know, these can rip, these can tear. I could have a malfunction with one of these, and it only comes with 1 per package. So I like to keep extras up here, just in case anything happens to these. I do need to get more organized with this drawer. As you can see, it's just looking crazy, y'all. It's just looking crazy, and that's why we're here today, to make sure everything gets organized. And the last drawer is my bubble packaging, and also yeah, I have to ship this off to somebody. This is not anyone's order. I'm just sending this off PR. But these are the bags, not bags, the boxes that I used up here. I ordered these from Amazon. Just type in either treat boxes or pink box, because that's what I did, and that's where I got these boxes from. So these are down here just in case I ever had to replace them or use them for something else. These are my bubble packaging for, these are the smaller ones. So just say if somebody ordered just one pair of lashes, I would just use the smaller package for that instead of using this larger one, which these are over here. These are boxes that I use for PR. These are the boxes, and these are the larger bubble packaging, and I got these from Amazon. So I got the smaller ones to the right and the larger ones to the left. And like I said, these boxes are strictly for PR, and I'm sending someone something just to get their feedback, or you know, just for them to try my product. So as you can see, these drawers are heavily unorganized, you guys. And on this side, I really need to figure out what I'm doing with this drawer, because really the only thing that's up here is just tweezers, makeup brushes, extra makeup that I don't have room for, other makeup palettes that I don't have room for. There is no real method to this madness. And this drawer right here says minks, because this is where I keep all of my mink lashes. And yeah, before I transfer them over to this packaging, this is their home before I transfer them here. So when you place an order, these are the dolly lashes, by the way. Aren't they so pretty? Yes, they are. But yeah, this is the home for the lashes, the mink lashes, before I transfer them over into my official packaging. That's why that says official packaging, because this is unofficial packaging. And the last drawer says miscellaneous, and I made sure to make sure that this drawer was not a big drawer, so the miscellaneous drawer could not have went over here, because that means I would just store more junk. But these is my battery charger, my camera battery charger, deep conditioner wraps, processing caps, whatever, arts and crafts. This is literally just what the label says, miscellaneous. I got resistance bands I'll never work out with in here. I got brushes, I got eyebrow razors that I use to arch my eyebrows. Girl, I got everything in here. I got my dry erase markers, the sprays, everything, my other camera battery. So this drawer is just that, miscellaneous. But I do want to get more organized with this drawer, and I do want to make sure that I am more specific when it comes to this drawer, because this drawer has turned into miscellaneous also. There's no real method to this madness. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to be organizing all of this stuff. And I also have some this is the pink paper that I used for my photo shoot, for my product shots. I ordered some bathing suits over the summer around my birthday, because I went to the beach, and I only ended up wearing one of the bathing suits. So I still got summer stuff, bathing suits that I have had. I still have PR stuff in here, the little tissue paper that I use for my PR. I have a lot of stuff in here that needs to find a home. These are more of those boxes. I did not realize that so many was going to come in the package, so I have more of those boxes. I really don't even know what I'm going to do with all of them, but to be honest, I spent my money for it, so it is what it is. And yeah, this could really go in the trash. So yeah, we're just gonna get all of this stuff organized, y'all. A lot of this stuff going in the trash. I'm gonna keep it a stack with you. I've been on a throw it away kind of vibe, like throw it out. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the after. I added a little table in there for my nephews to do their homework. Also, I use the table too, so it's mostly functional. And this is everything reorganized. My business cards, the plastic covers, the lash glue, and my packaging. Everything is just where it should be. I'm very happy with it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I love you guys so much, and if you would like to shop my website, I would appreciate it very, very much. If you use the code SLAY, you'll get 15% off your entire order, and if you purchase more than one item, you purchase 2 or more items, you'll get a lash glue for the free. Okay, so thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Background go crazy on it.
You know you ain't pay for this.